information technology industry. For that, you have to prepare yourself. You have to not only you have to prepare yourself and your skill set also, and the way you have to give your the best in front of them. So for that, what are the things you have to check it out so that you can get the success in your proceedings. Okay, so today I will discuss that thing. Okay, I will share the screen. Let us start with introduction part, please, one by one. Can I start with Mr. Umar, Syed Umar? Please, Syed Umar, you can proceed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, it's so noisy over here, ma'am. I'm actually then outside, ma'am.
Okay,
I
fine.
feel like,
Okay, afterwards you can go. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Next, Mr. Muhammad Amjad. Mr. Muhammad.
Meanwhile, can I start, madam? Yeah.
Yes, yes. But give your best, please, everybody. Give your best
Yes.
daily. You have to practice it.
Okay. Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon. Thanks for giving me an opportunity. My name is Riaz Ahmad. I belong to Hyderabad. I have done my BTech from specified field CSE. I have 3 years of experience in digital process and computer operations. Here we have our company in-house tool to process the data. My role is planning, coordinating, and managing day-to-day activities, project activities, handling process requests, also dealing with the client, providing support on issue related to the processing platform. I am passionate about learning new skills. Before that, I have experience in Gulf as sales coordinator. I have done my academic project from Orbit Institute. I have done project on employment separate system. My achievements are I have been complimented by my co-worker management, which I have worked on special projects. My short-term goal is to get a good job in IT sector, whereas my long-term goal is to recognize for my work. My hobbies are volunteering, helping people whom I know or whom I don't know. My strength is I will be focused and creativity, and my weakness is presentation skills. And last but not the least, my conclusion, I have ability to develop and maintain close relationship with other support team and development team. Thank you.
Okay, good. Great. Okay, just
Thank
I
you.
want some accent you should have and more effectiveness required. And
Yes.
in
Okay.
between, you just don't give everybody is giving a like ooh, please skip that.
Okay.
Try to
Okay.
overcome that. Okay,
Yes. Oh,
please.
thank you.
Jazakal. Next, please, Muhammad Hussain, Mr. Muhammad Hussain. Or Mr. Muhammad Idris, please. Introduction. Okay. Inshallah, after 3 months, you are going for an interview. Okay. For that, these are we are conducting mock interviews so that you can overcome what are we are lagging behind with things you should understand and overcome that. Please, Mr. Muhammad Idris, Muhammad Asaduddin, Mr. Syed Azhar.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please proceed.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Muhammad Asaduddin. I am born in Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation in 2020 from Osmania University, specialized in electronics and communication engineering. My hobby is communication engineering. My hobbies are playing cricket, reading books, learning about new technologies. My strength is my hard worker, and my weakness is my weakness is emotional, and my achievements is I cracked my GATE exam in first attempt. And my project is a review on web control based on IBM platform. My ambitions is to work as a IT company, and big long achievement, long ambition is as a network engineer. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. But still, you can do it. Add some more things, achievement. Okay, you have, if you have experience, and elaborate the project. Okay, and be confident and give a effective introduction.
Okay, ma'am.
This is your first impression. So
Okay, ma'am.
try to give your best. Okay, have some style, accent, English accent, speaking accent. Okay,
Okay,
have
ma'am.
some. Okay, go through research and have just inculcate that thing. Okay, just
Okay,
add this thing. Be professionals, have some style. Suppose you are giving a speech on radio or television program. Okay, so you
okay, ma'am.
are hosting a television program. Suppose you are doing that. So you have seen on television how they will host the program. So they
Okay,
have
ma'am.
some style. So please develop these things, everybody. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
then start. Next, Mr. Syed Azhar, I think so. Okay, Mr. Syed Umar, please, one by one, very quickly we'll do,
Yes,
and we'll
ma'am.
have checklist.
Ma'am, it's so noisy over here, ma'am. I'm actually then outside, ma'am. So it's very
Okay,
noisy over here.
fine, fine. For you, excuse is there for Mr. Syed Umar. Then next, Mr. Syed Azhar, I think so. Who else they want? They have to give introduction. Please come forward.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start?
Yes, yes, please.
Okay. Uh, First of all, thanks for giving me opportunity, this wonderful opportunity to all. Uh, I'm Muhammad Salman, and I'm from Hyderabad, and I brought up in Hyderabad only. My educational status is that I'm graduated from Usmania University, and I hold the bachelor BCom degree. I completed the degree this year only during pandemic situation, and I'm fresher. I'm fresher, and my achievement is that uh, I I won the I won the excellent student certificate, sports days. Ma'am, I just need a little few minutes, ma'am. I will come.
Okay, okay,
I will
sir.
repeat. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Okay, Jazakallah. Next, Mr. Muhammad Hussain. Muhammad Hussain. Please come forward. This is the mock interview. You can judge where you are standing. Yes, please.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, please continue.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity for introduce myself. I am from Hyderabad. I have graduation from Mania University in the year of
You are not audible.
2019.
Okay, other Please come forward. Okay, just prepare yourself. I will continue after this session. Okay, I will continue after this checklist. Okay, introduction part. Let us start with our this one. Okay, what are the checklist? How to prepare yourself for the interview? Okay, what are the things you have to do the things, do or do not. Okay, so yesterday we have seen WH questions. It is a part of ESL, English speaking language. Okay, so WH question, from WH part, this question you may face in the interview. Why did you leave your previous job? Usually they will ask if you have experience. Okay, so why you want to leave your current job? So these are the reasons you can say according to your criteria. Okay, situation, according to that you can say. So first reason is, I have learned a lot from my current role, but now I am looking for a new challenge to broaden my horizons and to gain a new skill set, all of which I see the potential for in this job. This is the first reason, that I am I have learned a lot by doing this current job. What is the current job profile? I have learned a lot. Now I want to move towards ahead to gain a new skill set, to upgrade myself. So I'm looking for a potential job. Okay, the next reason is, I'm looking forward to better opportunity to grow in job wise and financial wise, both. Financial, to if you want to increase your payroll salary, for that you want to change your job. I want to learn more things where I am working. This is the second reason. Third reason, I am looking for a job where I can grow with the company. This is very much important, that you have to correlate yourself with the company, organization. You are growing means automatically company also grow. Company also will grow. So I am looking for a job where I can grow with the company. Okay, so if you are getting more things, if you are growing means with the company, it's a good sign of the company. I am looking for a job that suits my qualifications. This is the third reason. I was laid off or made redundant because the company relocated. Means company, they have moved, they moved to other place, or downsized. Okay, or needed to cut costs. For to cut costs, the companies they will reduce the employees. So because of that, they will lose employees, will lose job. Okay, the next is interview checklist. What you have to do, you have to check this, you have to do these things before going to the interview. So prepare a checklist and tick mark over there that if you have done. Okay, prepare the checklist, like research the company. If you have done, tick mark. Okay, do the tick over there. Know who you are meeting with. You are meeting with the HR people or panel of delegates. Okay, that you should know. Get the information. No, if they call for an interview, just ask them, it's a personal interview or technical, what. So to whom we have to, HR people, they'll take interview. Just be specific. Then practice answers to typical questions. Do this. Practice answers to typical questions. Like typical question is, why you want to change your job. That is the very typical question. So practice for this question, and how you will stress. Okay, how do you relieve your stress and pressure? How you will handle stress and pressure? This is the typical question. Okay, and what is your work style? This is also the one question. And bring copies of your resume. Wear a professional yet appropriate outfit. Know where you are going. According to that, wear the appropriate outfit. Know where you are going. We have Google Map, where you have to go, how much time it takes, everything, every information you have on handlets. Okay, smartphone guide you. Know where you are going. Arrive 15 minutes early. Firm handshake. It is very much important. Firm handshake. You are showing the how confident you are if you are giving a firm handshake. You have confidence and you are very ready to, by the expression, by the body language, you can give the message. You're giving the message by the body language and the expressions. So if you're giving a firm handshake, means you are satisfied with the job profile, with the company. Okay. So then what are the things you have to research on web? You have to research this. This is very much important. What are the things you have to do on web about company and the job? This is most important. Most of them will not do this about the company. Please, before going for an interview, first they will call this company. They are calling for interview. So know about the company also. Research where it is located, headquarters, where is the headquarter, and the different companies they have their branches in different cities. Okay, you should know, you should have this knowledge. Location, company culture, what is the company culture, Indian or abroad culture? What is the mission of the company, for what they are working, for the products, for the projects, reputation in the company, reputation in the industry. What is the reputation is there in the industry, company's reputation? Then second part is first know more about the company, then the job profile. What is the job, and what is the qualification of for that job, and what salary they are offering. They will specify with that. Okay, expected salary, they will specify that. Offered salary, offer what they have, how much they are offering. And after interview, after 1 month or after 15 days, duration of the period to join. Start date means joining date. After the interview, after 15 days or 1 month, you have to join. And the job hours, 9 hours, 8 hours, that one. Okay, and what is your role for that job? Then current employees, how many employees in that position, how many employees required. Okay, current employees in position. Next, job interview preparation checklist. Prepare your resume. Okay, strong resume, whatever you are preparing, it is in front of the interviewer, so he will read first. Then according to that, uh, he will cross check whatever you have written. Are you going, are you giving the same thing or not? So whatever you are, you don't cut and paste resume. Whatever the knowledge, whatever the skill set you have, add those things in the resume. Even hobbies also. Hobbies, skill set is very much important in IT industry. Okay, so upgrade yourself. Yesterday also I have said, just prepare, work on your skill set. Upgrade your skill set. Then analyze job description. Job description or job profile. What it has, what is the responsibility? Analyze that. Are you capable enough for that job profile, job responsibility? Okay, according to that, apply. According to that, prepare yourself. Analyze. For that, you have to analyze the things. If you are going to be a responsible person for that specific job, So analyze that and work according to that. Then prepare questions. Prepare questions related to the job profile, job description. Okay, what are the, you can justify, you can judge, you can expect that these type of questions they may ask according to that job description. Do company research. What are the products, what are the things they will work, this is the company for what. So do the company research. Get output ready. Brush up previous interview questions also. Okay, from previous interview questions you may get one or two questions. Prepare common interview questions. Carry documents. And these are the checklist before 3 to 4 weeks before. 3 to 4 weeks before, that is one day before, that is okay, previous one, and this is 3 to 4 weeks before. Figure out what you are going to be asking. That's why I'm saying you to prepare yourself. Write down your skill set, resume, check it out your resume, read out 3 to 4 times your resume, think, analyze on that. Really you are doing, you are preparing for that. Then figure out who you want to visit in the field. In the field means in the interview. Develop your screener. Test the screener. Announce need for participants. Consider right interview style. Yesterday also I've said, okay, so have some style. Consider right interview style. Announce need for participants. Your in participant means your involvement in the conversation. Conversing the things is the best communicator. Means you are communicating the things what you have in on the paper, hard copy of your resume, what you have, you are communicating that thing in front of the delegates, panel of delegates. Okay, company delegates, they will take the interview. Test the screener. Screening means you are testing this, yes, this one I have done, okay, I can do it, this. So test the screener. Develop your screener. Try to develop your screener. Whatever the resume you have given a points, I have done this, that. So develop that one. Figure out who you want to visit in the field. Figure out what you are going to be asking. What are the things they can ask you. Then the ultimate pre-interview checklist. Okay, this is the 5 ultimate checklist. 5 checklist I have with us. Okay, 5 things you have to do before an interview. 5 things you have to do. First is resume and JD printouts. Means you should have the job description printout with resume. You should know before going for an interview what is the job description. So take it out, the job description printout. Unless and until you won't have hand outlets, you cannot understand. So take out the printouts of job description and resume. According to that, screen yourself. Okay, and screen with others, with your friends also. They will judge you, they will say you how much you are, how, where you are standing. So always carry your resume in a clear folder and print 2 to 3 copies. Okay, if suppose in the panel 3 4 delegates are there, so you have to give the 2 or 3 copies. So they will take in front of them, they will keep. According to that, they will ask you the questions, whatever the things you have included in the resume. According to that, they will ask you the questions, WH questions. Never fold the printout or twist it in your hands. Okay, be professional. Don't fold it or don't twist in your hand. Keep it in the folder, clear folder. Review your resume and preempt questions that can be asked from it. Okay, I have said review your resume or preempt questions. write down the questions that may ask from your resume. Print a copy of job description and thoroughly understand it. Understand the job description. Okay. According to that job description, you prepare yourself. What are the things you have to present it? It's your presentation. So give your presentation best. Dress for success. Iron your clothes and polish shoes the night before. Try them out once to ensure they fit. Okay, dress one level up, wear formals if the company has a casual dress code, wear a tie if formal, and add a coat if thinking of tie. Third one is practice, practice, and practice. Okay, prepare common interview questions, technical and behavioral. Okay, what have you have to do? Practice, practice, practice. What you have to practice? Common interview questions like technical and behavioral. Okay, behavioral means your personality development questions, how to handle the situation, how to behave in front of the delegates, panel of delegates. Okay, write down your introduction and practice it. Write down your introduction and practice it. Do mirror practice. Do mock interviews with friends and mentors. That we are doing. Okay, practice, practice, and practice. Know the company. Know the company, right side, home, about the company, about the product of the company, and the contact. What you have to know the company, about the company's product, and contact, address, email ID, that thing. Okay, then research about the company, LinkedIn, the company interviewer's profile. Okay, if try to get the information who is going to take the interview. If possible, try to get the information uh, whom who will take the interview. So try to get the information from the LinkedIn interviewer's profile. So check it out, the interviewer's profile from the LinkedIn. Then read news about the industry as well. IT industries, IT industry news, just check it out. Find directions, parking, and decide your commute. Okay, commute. How to do the things. Then on the day of the interview, sleep well the previous night, do some morning exercise to energize yourself. Deep breathing is miraculous. Reach at least half an hour early. Don't plan other big meetings that day. On the day that you have interview, don't do other engagements. Okay, don't involve yourself with other meetings. Next, how to ace an interview. How you can get through an interview. Okay, job interviews are not fun for anyone. Everyone feels the same sense of delight when you find out that an employer wants you to come in for an interview. But soon the nervous kick in. Soon the nervous kick in. We have created a fact sheet of tips to help you ace that interview. Know your facts. Do your research before stepping foot in the interview room. You must first learn more about the company. Use the resources that you have, such as search engine, their website, news outlets, social medias, and inside knowledge. Know the job. Although you may think that you know all about the job you have applied for, don't let that stop you from learning more about it. An interview is going to ask you why you want that job. Make a good first impression. Okay, make a good first impression. First impressions last. That is a last impression. First and last impression. If you do not make the right open, you are less likely to get the job. Okay, if you have not made a good impression means possibility of less likely to get the job. Make sure to smile and be yourself. If you try too hard and are not yourself, an interviewer will be able to see it. Be confident but not cocky. Okay, be confident but not cocky. It may seem hard to do this, but you need to get the balance right. Be confident and be aware of your strengths. Although an interview is a chance to really sell yourself, it's also important to acknowledge your weaknesses and to know how you deal with them. The next one is look the part. Looks are not the everything. Looks aren't everything. Looks aren't everything, but first impressions are. Being presentable is key. If an employer thinks you look smart, they are going to get that professional opinion of you. Not only this, but you also have to carry yourself in a professional manner. So essentially, this means no hoodies and no slouching. Okay, plan the day before. Be prepared. You need to make sure you are ready. There is no use trying to cram in a loud of research in the morning. You need the day before to prepare yourself so you can calm the morning of your interview. Engage with the interviewers. How you will engage yourself with the interviews? Eye contact, handshakes, head nods, just a few of the things you can do during your interview that will make your interviews feel like it is a two-way conversation and not just them questioning you. If you can engage well with an interviewer, they will they will feel a strong connection with you rather than someone who answers ab- abruptly and waits for the next question. Means you are giving interest. If you are responding to the interviewer means you are taking some interest. If you are not giving any response means just going through that. How to ace programming interviews? That is a technical. Okay, how to fail interviews? The easiest way to succeed interviews is to know how to fail an interview so you can avoid those mistakes. Go unprepared, be overconfident, no knowledge about the job, bad code quality. Success factors, these are most important success factors: internal state of mind, mindset, candidate likability, ability to code, then personality. These are the successful factors to get the success in interview. What are the factors? Internal state of mind, candidate likability, ability to code, then personality. Interview intelligence. Remember that your every word will have an impact on the interviewer. Learn to focus deeply on the interviewers, reading their behavior and reactions and evaluating their internal state of mind. By expression, you can evaluate that how the interviewer feeling about you, about your knowledge, about your presentation. Interview preparation. You need to prepare emotionally, mentally, technically. You have to prepare yourself emotionally, mentally, and technically. Answering questions. During technical interviews, do not answer a question randomly. Instead, reveal your knowledge layer by layer, just like you are peeling layers of an onion, where each layer will reveal something new and important, starting from the most basic layers and moving towards deeper ones. until it reaches to the core of the concept. Keys to interview success. Our mind is weaker in stressful situations. What best equips us to cope with the stress of interview is neither more knowledge nor more intellect. What makes our mind stronger and more able to control our emotions is our preparation, internal discipline, and toughness. Okay, so what makes our mind stronger and more able to control our emotions is our preparation, internal discipline, and toughness. Okay, three important things to make yourself prepared: your preparation, internal discipline, and toughness. Discipline means you have prepared yourself that 1 hour, 2 hours I have to give. I have to prepare for this. So you are in discipline. And your toughness, you are doing hard work for 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, daily you are giving your time to get the success, stepping stone towards success. Okay, so this is about the checklist, how you are going to prepare before 2 weeks or 3 weeks. And before going, you have to check it out for the job profile, job description, and the company also. About the company product and the contact, where it is located. Okay, and try to get the information from the LinkedIn about the interviewer, who is taking the interview, who is going to take the interview. Get his profile, check it out, his profile from LinkedIn. Okay, so anything you want to discuss? Any points you have with you to discuss? So today you just make a checklist. Please do these things. Skill set, analyze your resume. Okay, I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how
Ma'am,
you are feeling about by this session? What are the
Yes, ma'am.
drawbacks? Yes,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
just discuss them.
This was very useful. Like very mind opening. This was a mind
Yeah.
opener for us, ma'am. Really nice, ma'am. Really outstanding. Mashallah.
Others, please.
yes, ma'am. Very
Conclusion.
nice.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's very helpful to us, ma'am, to face interviews. Yeah, ma'am. Really, we should prepare like this.
So please make a note how do you have to prepare, what to prepare, short points. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Start with short-term goals, then go for long-term goals. Once you succeed, you can go
Okay,
for
ma'am.
long-term goals. This is a short-term goal for you,
Inshallah.
preparation.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you said that we have to, like in interview, we are giving the interviewer knows everything. We have to give our best.
Yes,
Then
yes,
also the interviewer knows everything. Then
yes.
what are the possibilities, ma'am? That is our good impression or bad impression. We are trying to give, but we are not able to do.
You're not doing practice, okay? So
Okay.
that time nervousness will be there. Like Usman sir also said, you should just feel that he is not superior, you are superior. Okay, you have the, if you are going to the interview, feel that you have complete knowledge, whatever the knowledge you have. So give your best on that. Okay,
Okay.
so you feel that you are superior, you can do it, so you can do it. Okay, he will check for the your positiveness. Okay, how positive you are, and in what way you are handling this situation. In nervousness, don't be nervous, don't show your nervousness. It's little nervousness also, don't show. How you will handle the situation also, he may ask that question also.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay,
ma'am,
so be confident.
and ma'am, I have observed that ma'am, it's not very important that you give 100% accurate answers,
yes,
either
yes,
in technically or behave in technical or that behavior.
personal.
But it's very important that how you present yourself.
Hmm.
You have to be confident. You have to be accurate. You have
Yes.
to make a professional personality. These things matters a lot, Bab. Like there are a lot of people who have excellent knowledge, everything, but they are unable to present themselves. Just now we had a point also, how you sell yourself, how you present yourself. So
Yes.
that is a key, a core point, ma'am, an essential thing.
And appropriate, accurate words, you have to use it while saying, okay? Professional words, not a simple college going, by giving your introduction also. In introduction, add more vocabulary words. Try to, okay? Just research it and change introduction, add more things.
Okay, ma'am.
In a
Ma'am, to
professional way.
overcome nervous and like hesitating, we need to practice in front of mirror and we need to record audio, ma'am. If
Yes,
you
I
say,
have said you,
yeah,
share
yeah,
your
yeah, ma'am.
audios in the group.
Yeah,
Okay? We'll do the
yeah,
activity. We have the resources. Okay,
yeah, ma'am.
everyone will give a today also you have given a rating also. We'll
Yeah,
do the
ma'am.
rating. Anyhow, you are using WhatsApp. So make
Yeah,
use
yeah.
of useful use.
Yeah, ma'am. In this meeting, many people know that we should practice, but they are not practicing, ma'am. They
Yeah.
just know knowledge, but they are not waking up from bed. They don't doing, ma'am. They know knowledge, but they know not working. That's it.
Yes, if you have knowledge, but you are not a communicator, you are not communicating properly, you are not saying, you have in the mind everything, you have mind in, okay, but you have to present it by communicating in the best way, by conveying the things. How you will convey the things? If suppose you are an employee of any company organization, you want to convey, convincing, convey, these are the related words. How you will convince in a better way, opt for the best and better way, then only things will be resolved. Go for the solution, resolve the things. Don't keep it as a problem, try to resolve that problem. Okay, so these are the things matters for any organization means it's a home, house for working. Okay, home for the employees, working place, they are working 8 to 9 hours. So how they will manage the things, they will check it out, interviewer. Okay, so these are the things important. Anything, yes.
One more thing, I want to ask that as one of our friend asked the same question. They know they have our profile, interviewer having our profile in their hand. Even though they ask the question, please introduce yourself or tell me about something about yourself.
Mhm.
Why these type of questions arises again, even though they have read it everything.
That's the thing. No, this is the hard copy. Okay,
Yes.
whatever you have written in on the paper, you have to just returning. You're not you have to convey the things whatever you have written on the paper. In what way you will present it, in what way you will communicate the things there, that style they will check it out. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay, if suppose
Okay.
you have a kid, 5 years kid, okay,
Yes.
you want to take it out the thing story. We went for a picnic, you will ask your child, we went for a picnic, what, how you spend your, what do you feel? So you want to take it out from him, he will write on written you can read it, but in his
Okay.
mind what are the thoughts, how it will say the things. Okay, okay, different people say the things different in different manners, ways,
Yes.
just like telephone game. Okay, if we'll
Okay.
pass a message to one person, they will pass, and how it will come to us.
Yes. It's totally
Yes,
different.
Yes, yes. So the way you understand, way you communicate, that it matters.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yes. Anybody, please? Please discuss it. Like this, you are
So,
improving your skill, communication skill.
in other way, whatever we whatever we have written in our resume, we need to by heart everything with point to point. What is that? We don't have to miss it anything. But you need to present in a verbally, in a proper manner.
Yeah,
How you have written in that
yeah,
is the same thing.
yeah. And you should know
Okay.
according to your job profile, according to which job you have applied, according to that you have to present yourself. Okay. Suppose I am
Yes.
MCA. Okay, I am MCA. I have two fields. I can opt for two fields. Whether I can go for IT company or I can go for the teaching field. Okay.
Okay.
So I should be in different way. One side I should be different. My outfit should be different for IT industry, and for the teaching is different. Two ways. So I should be according to the job profile, according to the industry. This is education system. This is the IT industry. Okay, two ways. So how according to that I should be like that. Then only they will observe us. If I go in teaching field, okay, in education field, if I go like a IT industry personality, they will accept me. In education field, they won't accept. The way they have different fields, they have different thinking way, isn't it? Isn't it? So according to the job profile and company, that is why
Yeah, yeah.
saying research
The
for the job
yes,
profile
ma'am.
and job
That is what is the work
company.
culture. We have to research for the work culture,
Yes, yes.
their ways and habits of
Hmm.
taking up. That is the work culture actually.
Yes,
In different fields, we have different work cultures, so we have to go through the work cultures.
yes. So we are dealing, we are here in education field, we are the teachers are the elders, they are the students, we have to teach them. Here we are the colleagues, okay, in the environment of the same group people. Okay, so like that. So we are not dealing with younger ones here in IT industry. We have to deal with the clients. Okay, we have to deal in IT industry, we have to deal with the clients about their products, about their projects. Take care of these things, we have to take care of these projects and products. Here are students, here some living things, there non-living things. We have to take care of each and everything using different tools, applications, training they will provide us company, how to handle their products. Okay, how to develop the things, they will develop the products in the company using different tools like that. So they will give you the training. So how you will adapt the things, adaptation. You have to adapt the things of the culture of the company, of the environment. You have that quality of adaptation. Everyone should have the quality of adaptation where you are going. Even you, if you are moving, traveling, why they will prefer for the hobby of the traveling? Because where you are going, you have to adapt the things, adapt the environment, climate, weather, culture. You should have that quality, ability to adapt the things. Okay, so means you are compatible, you are flexible. Like that, traveling means these are the factors affect flexibility, your compatibility, like this. So how see the how compatible computer system computer is a system means it is interconnected with different things. We are connecting different things, so that is a forming a system. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, NIC card, server, you're making that server, so it is compatible for accepting everything, adapting everything. You're making it like that, it should adapt the things. So you should be like that only, flexible, adaptable. Anything please regarding this? Anyone please? Any more questions?
No, ma'am.
Any queries? Any more queries? Mr. Muhammad Ahmed, Mr. Muhammad Ghasuddin. Please, any queries? Can I have introduction part from your side? Mr. Muhammad Siddiq Ali, please. Introduction part from your side. Mr. Muhammad Ghasuddin.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum Assalam. Yes.
Actually, I was doing job, so I was irregular in classes.
Yes.
So I spoke to Nadeem sir that he encouraged me to join these classes again. So I think introduction part is something introducing ourselves or anything else.
Introduction, because this is the mock interviews. First is
Okay.
introduction, no? So we are doing the mock interviews daily. So for
Okay.
that.
Okay. So as usual,
I am
so
sharing that, okay, how to do that. I am sharing, okay, just how to
Okay.
introduce yourself in an interview. Okay, this is the template. I will share the template. According to that, you just continue. Wait. Okay, see this, according to this template, you just introduce yourself.
Okay, ma'am. I have gone through with that, so I will tell about it.
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, this is Ghasuddin. I'm 27-year-old. I'm from Hyderabad. Thank you for providing me this opportunity. So my education qualification is I have engineering in electronics and communication, and I have experience at Sutherland Global Services. This is very short. So my extracurricular activities, I have participated in the Hyderabad Student Festival. There I won as the best extempore guy, and I secured third position in the second project position in the project demonstration. and ambitious about my achieving goals. Like I want to become senior like manager in the company. So my strength is I have truthfulness and clear cut saying about something, and my weakness is I believe in the people very quickly. My hobbies is reading books and playing cricket. So I would like to conclude that this is a good opportunity I have got through this. I want to showcase my skills in your company. So proceed for me further. Thank you.
Okay, great. Very nice. Without preparation, you have given your introduction. Okay, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if you
Just now I
work, if
saw.
you prepare, no,
Yes.
you can do it. Okay, more. Okay, skill set. Okay, skill set. Here we have a template. Okay, tell your name, from where you are coming, and your educational background, like engineering, like that, most important, and from which stream. Okay, then experience, your job profile. If you say, it's good. Any
Okay.
achievement during your academic year, any project, good, add this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then your ambition, short term goal and long term goal, and your strength and weakness. Weakness means in a positive manner. Weakness should be said in a positive manner, not in a negative manner. Okay. And your hobbies, then the conclusion. This is a short thing for introducing yourself. This is the first, and you should make it as a best impression and
Okay.
have some style presenting yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, inshallah, we'll end this meeting today. Okay, please do the practice. Okay, we have seen how you are going to prepare yourself for the interview. Checklist, please prepare your checklist, handwritten. Write it down, please write it down about your skill set and about your checklist, what you are going to do, how you are going to prepare yourself for the interview. Write down the points, please. Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.